You don't want to attract unwanted attention. You need something comfortable. Avoid anything too tight or too flowy. Hey travelers, welcome back to Kling Connection, your one-stop shop for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to our hearts and our aching feet. What to wear on your next flight. We've all been there. You're rushing to the airport, juggling bags, and suddenly realize you're wearing your favorite but least travel-friendly outfit. Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we're sharing some hard-earned wisdom on what to wear and what to avoid to make your next flight as comfortable and stress-free as possible. You can also find these tips along with many other neat travel fun facts on our website, www.klingconnection.com.
Is your bag, sir?
Yes, it is.
We'll have to hand check it.
Go ahead. I have nothing to hide in my bag.
Let's start with the foundation, your footwear. Forget about those stilettos, ladies. And guys, those dress shoes are going to be a nightmare. You need something comfortable, easy to slip on and off at security, and supportive for those long hours in the air. Think walking shoes, sneakers, or even those hybrid running shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you. And don't forget about socks. Compression socks are a game changer for long flights. They help prevent swelling and keep your circulation flowing. Now, let's talk about pants. Jeans? Nope. Too restrictive. You want something with a loose waistband and plenty of give. Think leggings, joggers, or even those comfy travel pants that are all the rage. Avoid anything too tight or too flowy. Tight pants can restrict circulation, and flowy pants can get caught in escalators or worse, the travel toilet.
I don't know what you expect me to do.
There's nothing in this whole closet that'll fit a size 6, I can guarantee you.
Layering is key. You never know how the temperature on the plane will be. Start with a comfortable base layer, like a t-shirt or tank top, then add a sweater or a light jacket. And don't forget a jacket with pockets. It's perfect for stashing your phone, wallet, or other essentials while you're going through security. When it comes to accessories, keep it simple. Leave the statement jewelry at home. You don't want to be fumbling with necklaces or bracelets at security. Glasses are usually fine, but sunglasses will need to come off at security. And if you wear contacts, consider switching to glasses for the flight. Now, let's talk about what not to wear. Jumpsuits, rompers, forget about it. They're a nightmare to use at the airport bathroom. And avoid anything too revealing or controversial. You don't want to attract unwanted attention. Here's a travel hack. Instead of dumping everything from your pockets into the security bin, put your small valuables inside your jacket pockets. This keeps them secure and organized. And don't forget the sunscreen. You're closer to the sun at higher altitudes, so protect your skin. Well, there you have it, travelers. Our guide to what to wear and what to avoid on your next flight. Remember, comfort is key, so make sure to go to our website, www.klingconnection.com, and subscribe to our newsletter and read our blogs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips so you never miss another Kling Connection episode. Happy travels!